Hey guys, thanks to Almay sponsoring this video. Today I'm going to show you how to use the app mover function in their Partition Assistant to free up space on your C drive and move your apps elsewhere. Now, like many people, I don't tend to upgrade my storage very much, especially my system drive. So if we open Partition Assistant right here, we can see that after extending this menu, our free space on our C drive is very limited. I only have 6 point something gigabytes left. So that's where App Mover comes in. When you open this menu, two options will show up. Either you can move apps or you can move folders. But considering that we can already move folders manually in Windows Explorer, we are going to move apps. This menu is relatively straightforward. You just select the partition you want to move apps off of and click next. Next, you are going to select which apps you want to move. For today's purposes, we're just going to do a demo with Crystal Disk Mark and Crystal Disk Info. And down in the destination path portion, you can select the path manually if none of the drive letters seem familiar to you. And because I'm using an external SATA volume, it's gonna prompt me that it's removable basically, and if you remove it, the apps will no longer be functional. On the next prompt here, it's gonna kindly remind you that those software will be closed before the move can be done. And once you click OK to that, the move process will begin. When it finishes, you can go ahead and click finish and close this window up. Now let's go check out in Windows Explorer the apps that have been moved to the destination drive. So we're going to navigate to our destination drive and see a program files folder. Under that, we are going to see the two pieces of software that we selected earlier. And now let's open them up to see how they perform. First up, Crystal Disk Mark. So already the load times are indicative of them running off of the external SSD instead of the internal M.2 NVMe SSD that I got for my system drive, which is much faster than this. Here, let's do a quick demo to make sure everything works as expected. For the sake of completeness, we are now going to open up Crystal Disk Info, because why not? Although it's a little slow to load, we can see that the application has no problem running. So you've got all my drives. Don't mind the caution signs, absolutely fine. It's only that I don't have enough sectors to reallocate anymore. To further prove that these applications are indeed located on our E drive, we're going to delete the program files folder from the E drive altogether, and then try to run these applications again. Sure enough, we get errors saying that these files can't be located because they are no longer there. Now, what I find very fascinating about this is, if you click Open File Location on those two shortcuts that we find on the search bar, you are going to be led into the Program Files folder in the C drive. But if you enable View Hidden Items, you'll notice that in the C drive there are two hidden shortcuts for the apps that we moved earlier, both of which point to the respective files in the E drive. But now, because we deleted all the files in the E drive, the shortcuts no longer work. And there we go, mission accomplished. Our C drive now has more free capacity. With that, this video is over. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks to Almay for sponsoring it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye for now.